Hey guys, it's Dr. Paul at Wichita Dental Group. So we talked about adult toothbrushes. We're also going to talk about pediatric toothbrushes as well. So smaller teeth need smaller toothbrushes. You'll see a lot of the times toothbrush companies will brand them for whichever age is appropriate for that size toothbrush. So on these Oral-B toothbrushes, for instance, you can see here 0 to 3 years old is going to be this toothbrush. 6+ is going to be this toothbrush, and I'll go over kind of like why do they have their specific ages that they're appropriate for. So we'll talk about these pediatric toothbrushes. Again, this one is for ages 0 to 3, this one 6 years and older. So on this toothbrush that's for 0 to 3 years old, you're going to notice it's a lot smaller toothbrush. It has shorter bristles and a smaller brush head size. That's going to make it easier for a 2 or 3 year old to use this toothbrush than if you had a larger toothbrush that is this size. And again, on these, you're going to want to look for either soft or ultra soft on the toothbrush bristles. Brushing technique is going to be exactly the same as if you were brushing your adult teeth. So you're going to want to brush small circular motions on the outside, biting surface, and inside. And if you'll notice again too on this one has ultra soft bristles, and so it's going to fit in between the teeth better to clean in between the teeth and along the gum line. Same thing with the 0 to 3. It might be a little bit harder to demonstrate on the larger teeth, but this one is going to fit. If you had smaller teeth, the shorter bristles are going to clean along the smaller teeth just a little bit better. One feature I was going to show you that is actually not as good on this toothbrush is that this toothbrush is rated for kids that are 6 years or older. But one of the reasons I don't like it is because the toothbrush head is probably too big for a lot of kids. And so if I put these toothbrushes next to one another, this is the toothbrush 6 years or older. This is the adult toothbrush from earlier. But if you'll notice on this toothbrush, the toothbrush on this one, the head of it is actually larger than the one that's for adults. That's one thing that I don't like as much about this one. If you were looking for a toothbrush for a child, you'd want a toothbrush more about this size. So again, smaller is probably better when it comes to the size of the toothbrush head. A common question we'll get as well is how often should I be changing my toothbrush out? You want to change your toothbrush out every 3 to 4 months. So you should be going through a toothbrush 3 to 4 times per year. If you notice on the end of the toothbrush bristles that they're starting to get splayed out and they're not looking kind of like this, it's probably time to change your toothbrush. If you want to learn about more dental tips and tricks and how to keep your teeth healthy, just click here.